What's in the box? We're about to find out. So come on, let's get her done. But not this one today. Today we'll be looking at this one. Again, what's in the box? Comment below. Will those words say hydrocopper? And this, so crunchy. Okay, maybe not. We'll just leave that for later. On to what was in the box. I gotta say, it was not easy closing this box with one hand. Oh, and I know I could have set down the GPU, but it just felt so good in my hands. They should have called this thing a brick. It weighs a ton. Gently clean it, gently. I gotta say, this thing is absolutely stunning. The acrylic is so clear to see all the components on the one side, the way the hydrocopper is, just the overall GPU aspect of it. Just the appeal is amazing. I haven't even felt the performance yet. I can feel this thing is gonna perform. EVGA, you outdid yourself. A lot of you will say, why didn't you choose the 2080 Ti? Well, the price to performance is a little different, as these GPUs prices are still roughly as they are from back in MSRP when these GPUs came out. I do believe the rough MSRP of these GPUs, remember this was the mining days, these GPUs came out around 2018, 2019, I believe. And the prices were around 600 or 700, or some of them were selling for $2,000 by the end of the mining days. Absolutely insane. The main difference between the supercards and the non-supercards, this also goes for the Ti, is it had improved performance. It had more CUDA cores and a higher TDP, which is your thermal design power. So people that use MSI Afterburner, you would notice that you have 100% power usage. You can go with a non-super to maybe 115 to 120. With the supers, you can go up to 135, maybe 140 in some. It depended on each card. So to help take some stress off my daily gaming machine, for streaming and recording, I am building a new PC, and this is what I'm going to be using for the GPU. It has multiple displays, including USB-C, and once it's all done, everything should run nice and cool, and I won't have to worry about my room heating up too much. That is it for this video. In the next one, I will be unboxing a 3070 Ti. For what manufacturer? Well, find out in the next one. Till then, get her done. Thank you for watching. Subscribe at Real Luger. Also, don't forget to get her done.